Hi, today we're going to do a bit of a review. So I'm going to show you how you complete your work today. You're going to click on Decimal Puzzle, open with Kami, and make sure your view is big enough that you can see your page. Okay, we're going to click on Drawing, and the first number one says red. So we're going to click on red, and we're going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is 67 out of 100 squares. So it's 67 hundredths, and that is right here. So we're just going to, you can put a red line through it, or you could just shade it in. And then number two is out of 10. And there's 4 tenths that we're looking for. And it is orange, so we'll go back over here. Click on orange. Here is 4 tenths. You're just going to, it doesn't have to be pretty, but just put lines through it so I can see that you know the answer. Over here, it says dark blue for number 6. And I would go to the color palette and pick a dark blue and hit save. And then when you come over here and drag just the mouse over here, you'll see that it will come up, and click on it. Dark blue, and let's look, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. So it'd be 53 hundredths, because you see there's 100 squares here. 53 hundredths would be right here. Oops. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then you'll go through all those. Let's click on the next worksheet. Open with Kami. Okay, this one, you're converting the fraction to a decimal. So number 1 is red. Make sure you're on the correct color. 48 hundredths is going to be up here in the top right corner. Again, like I'm not the best at making this pretty here, but there's that one. Then you have 9 tenths. And I'm just going to highlight these 2 squares orange. Okay, anytime you make a mistake, you can go to eraser and just click on what you want to erase. So you're going to go through all of those, and then you are finished with that worksheet, and we'll go to the last one that I want to show you. This one is a little bit more complicated. Make sure you open with Kami. You are going to have to use text boxes. And up here, I don't expect you to use text boxes here. So you could just leave this blank, that's fine. So you're going to have to make text boxes. This would be 540 Make this a little bit bigger. 48. And then you need one more. Thousandths. Okay, and you can move the box around to where you want the words to be if you want them to be more on top of the line. Doesn't have to be perfect. Again, so this next number you would have. So this, oh, I should read the first one. The first number is 16 and 548 thousandths. The next one is going to be 22 and the decimal point reads as and. 22 and 35 hundredths. Okay. So you're going to complete this. Remember, you don't have to do the top. It can actually just, it's too hard to make text boxes up here. So after you have those 3 worksheets done, this is your assignment for, it's due on Wednesday. I would like you to make sure that you get the place value dot done. The place value dot was due on Friday, but I'm going to give extra days to get it done. There was 18 slides that you needed to do for that. So over the course of 2 weeks. So I want to make sure that you have that done. So I'm going to give you some time to get this assignment and that place value dot activity done and hand it in. Okay? Have a great day.